Welcome back to the 12 Days of Christmas. This is day 11. I found some flannel Christmas pajamas at a thrift store and I bought those, and then I'm just ripping them into strips. I'm using a very small wreath, so my strips are about 6 to 8 inches. Now all we need to do is tie these strips onto the wreath and then push them close together to make it nice and full. I'm going to add this Santa Claus face from Dollar Tree from last year. Once I have Santa Claus tied onto the wreath, I go ahead and add some greenery. And this little wreath is finished and ready to hang. For the next project, I'm going to be using several different types of bells. These two are from Dollar General. These two are from a thrift store. And then I'm also using some plastic bells from Dollar Tree. I took them outside and gave them a coat of my favorite gold leaf spray paint. Now that all the bells are the same color, I'm going to mix a tablespoon of baking soda in with some Waverly ink chalk paint. I'm giving each of the bells 1 to 2 coats as needed. Once the bells had dried, I'm using some rub and buff in antique brass, I believe it is, and I'm just going to use that with a paper towel and rub it on all over the black paint, leaving some of the black paint to show. This will give it a vintage look. Here's what they look like when they're all completed. You can't even tell which ones are plastic and which are metal. String these up and hang them on your Christmas tree or on your front door. Thanks so much to Brenda and Amanda for hosting today. I'll see you back tomorrow for the 12th day of Christmas. Thanks so much for watching. Remember to share the chic. Bye now.